Hello, everybody. Hope you're doing great. Today I have another SAT reading and writing question for more practice. This is what we may call a function question. Function questions, deal with identifying the specific purpose why certain statement was included as part of a passage, particularly a statement that has been highlighted or, as in this case, underlined. Let's go for it. Yawn contagion occurs when one individual yawns in response to another's yawn. Studies of this behavior in primates have focused on populations in captivity, but biologist Elisabetta Palagi and her colleagues have shown that it can occur in wild primate populations as well. In their study, which focused on a wild population of gelada monkeys, Theropithecus gelada, in Ethiopia, the researchers further reported that yawn contagion most commonly occurred in males and across different social groups instead of within a single social group. Which choice best describes the function of the first sentence in the text as a whole? In other words, why is this sentence there? And a first approach to this question could consider that in statements that appear at the very beginning of a paragraph, we usually may find the topic of the paragraph. And this is the case. The paragraph talks about yawn contagion and its occurrence socially, particularly in some animals. But you can see that the key action verb in this statement says yawn contagion occurs when. So it's kind of defining what yawn contagion is or how it happens. So if you take a look at the answer choices, focus on the action verbs that describe a specific function for the fragment. Notice A begins like it defines, then you have option B, it introduces, you have it makes a claim, and it presents a hypothesis. We could hardly say that the first statement is actually introducing a problem or making a claim, even presenting a hypothesis. It's more like factual information. And, if you just focus on the closest word in meaning to occurs, which actually is kind of a definition, here you have it defines. And then it goes on by saying it defines a phenomenon that is discussed in the text. So this seems to fit perfectly what is going on with this sentence. This statement is actually introducing the phenomenon of yawn contagion, and then it's expanding on it, discussing some studies showing that this can occur not only on populations in captivity, but also in populations that are wild, living freely in the wilderness. So we believe this is the correct answer choice. It actually fits best the reason or purpose, that is to say the rhetorical function for the underlined first statement. See you on the next video.